Tired of messy decimals ruining your perfect Tableau Public visualizations? Today, I'll show you how to round numbers for a cleaner look, without messing up your original calculations. First, let's say you have a sales column with numbers you want to round instead of changing your original sales field. We'll create a new calculated field specifically for display. Go to the Analysis tab and select Create Calculated Field. This lets you make a new field based on your existing data, without altering the original values. In the Calculated Field Editor, type round, then open parenthesis, then put the name of your original field, for example sales, then a comma, and then the number of decimal places you want 0. We'll round to the nearest whole number close parenthesis and name your new field something descriptive, like rounded sales. Now you'll see your rounded sales field in the data pane on the left. Simply drag this new field onto your visualization, instead of the original sales field. See how much cleaner your visualization looks. You've rounded the displayed numbers without affecting the underlying data, preserving the accuracy of your analysis. This ensures your viewers understand the data instantly, and you avoid data integrity issues. Keep practicing, and soon your dashboards will be as precise as they are easy to understand.